In this video, we are going to take a look at how to set up single sign-on with an OAuth provider and external group mapping for Streamvisor. First, we have to configure Streamvisor to be able to communicate with the OAuth provider. In our case, as we are using Keycloak, we simply provide these three properties here, and also, because we want to use the external group mapping, we provide the name of the group's claim. Let's head to our Keycloak UI. As we can see in our group section, we have two groups, admin and dev, and here we say that the dev group has a role mapping with the name KCDev. We will have to remember this name. Let's go to Streamvisor. In Streamvisor, we set up a group. In our case, I have already done this. So let's click on Developers, which is where we want to set up the external group mapping. On the group screen, we first see all the permissions, and we can see that, for example, the developers have restricted permissions to view topics. There are currently no members, and now we want to add an external group. So we expand this, click on Add External Groups, and now we provide the name of the group as it will be in the group's claim provided by the authentication provider. In our case, this was called KC-dev. So now we simply click Confirm. The external group mapping and single sign-on is now fully set up. So let's check. Now on the login screen, we have the option to sign in using Keycloak. We will use an example user that is part of the dev group in Keycloak. As you can see, we successfully signed in, and if we check the user, we can see he's now added to the developers group. And if we want to confirm, we can go back to the admin user and check our developers group again. And as we can see, we now have the user added to the members. And that's how simple it is to set up single sign-on and external group mapping in Streamvisor.